Hi, I'm Lynda from Homelea Lass, and I'm a chunky crochet designer and teacher. I'm passionate about helping people to easily crochet and feel calm, and I create contemporary crochet kits for mindful makers. I discovered the healing and relaxing powers of crochet after I was knocked down by chronic fatigue. During this time, crochet helped me to escape to my happy place and rebuild my life. I'm grateful that I'm able to share what I've learned through Homelea Lass. All of the Homelea Lass kits, and here's one of them, are made by hand in my Ballarat studio using 100% Australian grown and processed merino wool. It feels so soft and lovely to crochet with. The kits also include online access to detailed video tutorials that show how to make the item from start to finish, the whole process. It really is the calm and easy way to crochet.